Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I wanted to give you an update on my warehouse for my reseller business, so here it is. So as you can see, as I walk out my front door, I round the corner and yay, they've got some wooden forms up to be able to pour the actual slab that my whole building will be sitting on. So they've got everything laid out. They did that this morning. It's actually the 4th of July. And so they had a pile of gravel poured. And so they put all the gravel inside the forms after they got it all laid out. And tomorrow they're actually coming to be able to do the pouring of the concrete and flattening it out and doing all the flat work. So I'm excited about that, and they're also going to put in some screws so that they can put the stud walls in and all that fun stuff. So I'm really excited about the progress on my warehouse. Once they get the cement poured, they should be able to start framing in a couple of days. So very, very soon I'll be able to show you some awesome progress on the warehouse. So I'm super excited. A lot of people probably think it's not big enough, but just remember I'm currently working in 200 square foot, which is, if you see those little boards leaning on the side, it would basically be about, you take one of those widths and the other widths, and that's the corner that my office is set up in, maybe a little bit more space than that. So I am crammed in a tiny little space that overflows into my house, which drives my family crazy. So I'm excited about that. And as you can see, it's awful close to my house. So here's just some pictures that you guys can look at of the progress that they're making. And I'm really, really excited about the progress. So things that you can do to become a reseller: you can build your own building so that you have your own space. And now I won't be taking over my home. Thanks, everybody. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.